Views and opinions expressed by the host do not necessarily state or reflect those of the company and its management. Furthermore, the views and opinions of the guest do not reflect those of the host, the show, the management, and the station, or the YouTube channel.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing. I do travel vlogs, unboxing gadgets, giving tips and ideas, everything under the sun. So subscribe now and hit the bell button to be notified for new videos. Today we will talk about how to apply in cruise ship and what are the requirements in applying for cruise ship. But before that, disclaimer muna tayo. My opinion in this video is only based on my experiences, research. I'm not promoting an agency or a cruise line company. So lahat po ng opinion ko dito ay base lamang sa experience ko at sa pagsaliksik. Hindi po ako nagpo-promote ng isang ahensya or isang kumpanya ng pagbabarko. Okay, so back to the topic. Ano nga ba ang mga requirements bago ka mag-apply sa isang agency para sa pagbabarko? So you need to have 1 to 2 years working experience in a 3 to 5 star hotel. So kung ikaw ay isang waiter sa isang 3 to 5 star hotel at nakapagtrabaho na ng 1 o 2 taon, so you are qualified para makapagbarko or makapagtrabaho sa isang cruise ship. Dapat yung 1 to 2 years working experience mo dapat recent siya, hindi siya like a year ago or 2 years ago kasi hindi na in-accept na isang agency. And second, you need to have a passport. Yun. You need to have a passport kasi pag wala kang passport, more likely less yung possibility na tawagan ka nila or i-hire ka nila sa agency. And ito namang number 3 is, this is optional, so it's all up to you guys. So yung number 3 is trainings. You need to have SDSD and PT or SOLAS and crowd management. So kung meron kang Seaman's book guys, it's good, advantage siya kasi may malaking possibility na tatawagan ka or i-hire ka ng isang agency. They can tell na isa kang interesado at ready ka na makapag-abroad. Sinasabi kong optional guys kasi meron akong nakilala, meron akong kasama before na na-hire siya, pero yung mga nung na-hire na siya or nang tinawagan na siya ng agency, yung mga trainings niya like SDSD, BT, crowd management, pa-expire na. So, doubly gastos na naman. If I were you guys, kumuha kayo ng trainings pag meron na kayong agency para hindi na kayo mahirapan at hindi na kayo gagastos pa. But it's a case-to-case basis, so it is all up to you guys. Pag meron na kayong mga requirements yun, yung 1 to 2 years working experience, 3 to 5 star hotel, may passport na kayo at yung mga trainings kayo, tapos may Seaman's book ka. There are 2 ways to apply. You can apply online or walk-in. Now, sa online naman guys is, I'm sorry, kasi may mga notes ako dito na sinusulat guys para hindi ko makalimutan yung sasabihin ko. 2 ways to apply guys, online or walk-in. So online, you need to visit their website. As far as I know, yung mga agency ngayon may mga website sila. So punta ka lang sa kanilang website, hanapin mo yung bakanting trabaho. You can send your resume sa kanila and make sure yung resume dapat may photo or picture. Or you can also get their email from their website. So dun ka na mag-send ng resume mo. Then just wait for a call and make sure yung number mo na inilagay mo sa resume mo working, and dapat naka-on yung phone mo 24 hours. Yun. Now, walk-in. Marami kasing agency na pwede mong walk-inan. Sasabihin ko sa inyo guys, yung mga agency na familiar lang ako kasi hindi ko alam yung ibang agency na nakita ko sa online based on my research. Baka baka hindi na nag-exist. So, ito na lang. Kung hindi kayo sure ang isang agency ay legit, so you need to visit the POEA website. Check if that agency is legit, and if that, then you can do walk-in. Ito yung mga, wait lang. So So guys, ito yung mga website or ito yung mga agency na pwede mong applyan. V-Ships, CF Sharp, UPL, Dolphin, RCM or yung sa RCCL na nandun sa MOA, Bahia Shipping, Magsaysay, and Singaship, Abujeb or Jebsen. Yung CF Sharp tsaka UPL, nasa ano lang sila, Intramuros, magkalapit lang yun. Kung may mga napili na kayong agency, so mag-walk-in lang kayo doon. Tapos you need to wear yung proper attire sa pagpasa ng resume mo sa agency. Usually kapag depende kasi yan eh. Pero ako naman yung ginawa ko, nagpasa ko ng resume. Suot ko doon is polo shirt and then pants and then shoes. And then tago ka na din ng long sleeve sa sa bag mo in case na on the spot ka i-interviewin. Kasi depende kasi yan, kasi pagpasa mo doon, it's either kukunin lang nila yung resume mo, tapos they will just tell you, they will just give you a call once may hiring na yung position na ina-applyan mo, or kung urgent naman yung hiring ng position na ina-applyan mo, then on the spot, i-interviewin ka nila. So, you need to be ready. Yun. And, dapat physically and emotionally ready ka guys. So, dapat bago ka pumunta doon, pag-aralan mo yung position na ina-applyan mo. Yun. So, makapag-apply kayo online or walk-in. So, summarize everything guys. You need to have 1 to 2 years working experience in a 3 to 5 star hotel. Dapat may passport kayo, and optional na may mga trainings kayo at Seaman's Book. Tapos makapag-apply kayo online or walk-in through the agency. Punta kayo ng opisina. Online, pumunta kayo sa website ng agency, kunin mo yung email or isend mo yung resume mo sa website. And kung hindi mo alam na legit or legal yung ahensya, you need to check that agency sa POEA website para malaman mo. Yun. And before everything else guys, tip ko lang sa inyo, pag tinawagan na kayo for interview, dapat guys, you need to be ready. So pag-aralan mo yung position mo na in-applyan mo, and then before you leave the house guys, pray para i-guide ka ng Panginoon natin na makapasa at makasampa balang araw. Alright guys, so yan lang muna. And kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe sa channel ko, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell button para ma-notify ka sa mga new videos na i-upload ko tungkol sa pagbabarko. Kasi marami pa akong videos na i-upload tungkol sa pagbabarko. Watch out for new videos coming soon. And kayo guys, kung may mga tips or ideas kayo sa kung paano mag-apply or kung may mga alam kayong agency na legal, comment below guys para matulungan natin yung mga kapwa natin Pilipino na gustong magbarko or mga aspiring seafarers. So that's it for today's video guys. Ingat kayo palagi and I hope to see you all on board. Adios amigos. Bye.